It's month number 2. Let's see how this one does. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being part of our YouTube family. So this is my second month of Birchbox. I said I would get it for 3 months and then we'll kind of decide what's better, this or the Ipsy. One thing about this is that you can swap out some of your sample sizes for full size products. So I do tend to pick things that I think I'm going to use, but I also do want to get 1 or 2 full-size items. All right, there's a little thing here that just goes over some of the featured products, not all of them, and not even what is necessarily in your box. But the theme was Hydration Haven. So here is what I got. So for sample sizes, I have the Sud Pacifique Comptoir Vanilla Extreme fragrance. So this is a little sample size. Let's take a little sniff. Oh, that's lovely. Okay, I like that. Our next sample size is actually a good size sample. This is by Amika. This is the Cure, and this is their hair repair treatment. And I actually have a full-size one of this at home, so I'm going to set that aside. And you know, that's bigger than sometimes you get in Ipsy. And then this is about an Ipsy size. This is a moisturizer by Air Repair, and it is 7 milliliters. So it comes to there's about this much product in there. So from this lid to about right here is the product. A lot of air. So yeah, it's definitely Air Repair. So, I mean, here's the thing. This is an Ipsy size. This is exactly what you would get from Ipsy, and it would be exactly that full. So is it the same size as one of those foil packets? Probably. But this is a good size right here. And that thing's pretty full. That is 1 ounce, and this is a size that you would be able to pick up sometimes, like when you're checking out at Ulta and they have all those little travel sizes. And for full size, I have the Voir Perfecting Prism Color Protecting Pre-Shampoo Treatment. So you're going to use this before you shampoo. I always struggle with that because I always want to do it and then I forget to do it, or sit around with that in my hair and then take my shower. So I don't know if I'm going to use this or gift it, but I thought, you know what, it sounds like it's going to be a good product. So I might even have it and haven't used it. And then the next one by Earth Harbor is their Tidal Rose Seaweed Hydration Mist. And this is one of those companies that's vegan, cruelty-free, clean, female-founded. It's a great, great brand. So here is how that looks. And it's just a nice little hydration spray, but this is full size. So I got 2 full-size items and 3 sample size. I still got 5 items. And I will say that this month I think was slightly better than last month in that, you know, we have better sample sizes in here. They're not just little foil packets. So pretty excited about that. I mean, for price point, this may be the better deal. I have to say that, because you're still going to get 5 items, but you're going to get a couple of full size, and you get to choose everything that's in the box. So we'll see how next month goes, and I don't know, I may drop the regular glam bag for myself. All right, well, that's all I have for now. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully I'll see you soon.